So here, I think so you all understood this poem, children. This boy, the poet is telling us about a boy who is always curious to know कि ऐसा क्यों होता है, ये वैसा क्यों होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वो पृथ्वी गोल ही क्यों है. Why is there life only on the earth? And why can't we go and stay on some other planet? Every child has got some or the other questions going in their mind. कुछ ना कुछ सवाल तो होते ही रहते बच्चों के दिमाग में. As a child, we all are curious to know कि वो चीज ऐसे क्यों होती है. Why is it happening like that? Why can only birds fly? Why can't we fly? Now we all know that birds have got feathers. They've got feathers very light. हल्के होते हैं feathers. उनके जो पंख होते हैं वो बहुत 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 हल्के होते हैं. And that's the reason the birds can fly up in the sky using the wings. अगर उनके feathers heavy होते, भारी होते, तो I don't think so the bird would be able to fly up in the sky. Right? So there are many questions, students. Every child has got some questions going on in the mind. Now after going through this poem, majority of you may have questions in your mind. आपके दिमाग में भी एक कैसेट रिवाइंड होती चलेगी कि ये ऐसा क्यों है, वो ऐसा क्यों है. You will go in the kitchen and ask your mama कि why is it like this? मिक्सर ऐसे क्यों घूमता है, वॉशिंग मशीन ऐसे क्यों घूमती है. पापा को जाके पूछेंगे मोबाइल्स पे ये क्यों है, वो क्यों है. एंड देयर आर many 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 questions. Every child has got a question. The same manner the poet wants to tell us about this little boy who had so many questions. Like why does the wood swim यानी float? Why the sun only shines? Why the wind only blows? Why we as human beings eat and drink? From where does the cloud comes? And how does it reaches the sky? Then where does the sun goes in the evening? It hides behind the hills. Where does it go? Where does it come from? Why do the flowers they die after a certain period? So this boy had many questions. There were answers for a few of his questions, and some questions had no answer at all. My dear students, please watch the video, try to understand, then read the poem. Any doubts, any queries, please call back and ask me. Thank you so much. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.